What's up, guys? What's up?
Hey guys! Hey!
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have Tanaya, my daughter. She's here. And what are we filming today?
I am recreating this lovely electric blue wig. Electric glow.
So yeah guys, this wig is my most viewed tutorial on my channel, making this wig. And the views, I have like over 3 million views on this video. You guys really,
seriously?
Yeah,
oh my gosh,
seriously.
I didn't know that much. Wow, look at you.
So yeah, you guys must really love this color. You really enjoyed this tutorial. I got a lot of love on this video. My last video I posted with Tanaya, someone actually commented in the video that she should recreate one of my wigs. And we were just like, huh? What? I'm a little worried.
I'm not gonna lie, so am I.
Only because she's never made a wig before.
Well, when we did, I think that one time when we both did the light blue wig, I think I helped like coloring it. Didn't I?
You do
not
coloring.
sewing it. The color. I'm not that nervous for the coloring. Maybe just a little. But I'm more nervous for like the actual sewing.
So I have my laptop here. She's gonna be watching the tutorial. She already watched some of it, and if you need to look back on it, you can look back on it because I am not gonna be helping you with this.
Okay.
You're on your own, sis. All right, so let's just jump right into this.
Channel takeover part 2. Pull up a chair. I'm gonna teach you how to dye some hair. Oh my gosh, that rhymed. Anyways, my assistant brought me this big old bucket of water because I was feeling really thirsty, and
I'm the assistant, by the way.
I wanted more than a cup. I'm joking. We're gonna do some watercolor hair dye because that's what she did in her video, and I watched it, so I know. Wouldn't this look sick on a Barbie's head? Like with like it had a long, thick ponytail like this. That would look so sick. Barbie, if you're watching, you should try doing that. That would look really cool. So we have our hair dye, the same one, indigo blue. We only have 2 left, so we might end up using this Royal Navy one.
We're gonna have to make it stretch.
Yeah. Last resort is using some of the Royal Navy, but we did have 3 of these ones that she also used in the video. I don't know if you can tell. I don't typically dye hair. Thank you. Ugh, guys, I think I need to find a new assistant. So you put all of it in there. Right.
I don't know.
So fake. She wants to see me fail. You want to have a bath, Simba? See, I'm telling my assistant to move the cat and she's not doing nothing. Guys, this video is chaotic.
Hold on.
Ridiculous. We have them in the mixing bowl, and now I'm gonna take this thingy and mix it. Now we're gonna pour it in. Mixing it around. Mixing around. Guys, it's turning blue. I can't drink it anymore. Take your hair and you're gonna put it in there. And you're just gonna swirl it around. Thank you very much, assistant. Okay, guys, now we're gonna take it out. Wow, it's blue. Now we're gonna put the next bundle. Okay, you know what? I give up. This is taking too long. Let's do it all. And then you're just gonna mix it all up in there, guys. Yeah, you're just gonna mix it in. So get in there, give it a nice little massage while you're at it. Okay, guys, now you're just gonna scrunch it out, you know, because it's gonna be wet. There are some light parts in it, but we're gonna work with what we got. Tell me this isn't really pretty. It's actually, oh my gosh. I want my hair to be this color. Mom?
No.
One day. Here's our beautiful frontal. Dippity. I'm scared for the frontal. Oh my gosh, it's blue. Guys, why do I feel like I didn't do this right? I ruined it. Okay.
The lace is blue.
Love it.
The lace is not supposed to be blue and you have knots.
Anyways, but now we're moving on to the next step, which is, drumroll please, making the hair, aka sewing the wig, making the wig. I think I'm a little more scared for that than I was for the dyeing part, just because I've never actually sewn a wig before, but it's okay. There's a first time for everything. This is the infamous headstand. This is scary. I've never done this, guys. Oh my gosh. Assistant? Thank you. We got this guy. It goes like this, and you're gonna put it on the head. I am going to do this. Voila! There's our wig, guys. Do you like it? So as you guys can see, I pinned down the frontal. Guys, I'm so scared for this part. Oh my gosh. I think we got it. Okay, we're gonna start in the middle, aka like here, and so we're gonna go down this way. Oh my gosh. Ah! You see me pulling the hair, guys? Oh my gosh. Ah! I did it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is so fun! Guys, I'm actually having a lot of fun right now. Oh my gosh. I think I'm doing that right. I'm not 100% sure. It looks a little weird on this one, but it's okay. I think I got it. Oh wait, see, this is what I don't got. So don't laugh at me, I'm trying. Guys, if you want me to make you a wig, just send me some hair, tell me the color. It's on your way. On whatever, yeah, on your way. Baby, you're electric love. Electric love. Get it? Electric, and the hair is electric blue. Electric love. Hello!
Guys, even though I say I'm not gonna help her, I'm actually pretty impressed with the stitching.
Aww.
Like, the stitching looks really good. Like,
I feel so proud.
I'm proud.
Woohoo! First wig. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the tracks. Or the bundle, I don't know what it's called. In her video, she said to grab the longest piece, but all the pieces I have are the same size. So we're just gonna go like this, I think is right. But assistant, I need you to help me pin these down at least. Okay, let's do this, guys. I'm making a wig. Basically, we're just doing the same thing we do with the frontal. We're just, you know, sewing it. Guys, you have to have like some good patience to do this. I don't know how my mother has patience to do this all the time. This is my first time making a wig and I'm already running out of patience. Okay guys, so now we're gonna flip the hair. In her video, the gaps were like very tight and smaller, but we ain't got time. We don't got patience like that. So we're gonna, you know, make it easier for my life. We're just gonna do a little advancement, like advance in the race, okay? We're just gonna skip some, you know, make some bigger gaps. It's still gonna look great either way. Oh my gosh. This is looking very interesting. What is this? It's okay. It's okay. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna watch the video again really quickly. As you guys can see, I've done quite a few tracks. So now we're pretty close to being done, but I remember seeing in the video, she did something like different from what I've been doing when she got like up here. So I'm just gonna rewatch that part of the video just to make sure I'm right and
straight across again, and we're going to continue doing this step, and I'm going to speed this part up once again because this part is pretty much the same thing. It's very repetitive.
She did something like this in her video. She didn't put it like literally right, you know, end to end. She put it more like here, so that. You get what I'm saying? We're finally on the last one. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe that I'm finally on the last one. I thought this day would never come. Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past the street, and all my friends are tired. We did it! Woohoo! Okay, now I'm just gonna cut it, tie it. You know the drill. You know the vibes. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Ew, it looks. Why does it look like this? She looks very interesting. Oh, see, I forgot. I have to cut this off or else that's just hanging there for no reason. So I'm actually not tweezing it today for you guys because, no. This is amateur. Okay, so we take it off. Wait, I'm so confused. Wait, Did I do this right? No, I did. I'm just tripping. Anyways, we're gonna take this off of the wig stand. This wig looks very interesting. So she said that you cut off the excess. Oh, I think it's this. I think we're cutting off this, but let me just double check, because next thing you know, I can take this whole thing apart in one wrong cut. I would cry. I would genuinely cry in front of you guys if that happened, because I think I know where to cut it. Okay. I'm scared for this part. I'm actually really scared. So I'm just trying to make sure I perfect it. We're just gonna go in with it and hopefully not mess it up. Please, please don't mess it up, Tanaya. Please, I'm begging you. I feel like I'm detonating a bomb right now. That's how serious this feels. We did it. We pushed through it. Okay, guys, I actually can't find the extension cord and the plugs are way too far for me to sit down and be near the camera to straighten it. So I'm gonna do that quickly for you off camera. Then come back and it's gonna look gorgeous. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, I did it. You know the song from Dora? Yeah, we did it. This is the finishing product. We have straightened it, used the hot comb on the top. Oh my gosh, look at all the flyaways. Can you see that? Okay, we're gonna pretend like we don't see them. They're invisible. Mom.
Okay, let me see this wig.
Why is she laughing already?
I'm not laughing.
Okay, it's like, you know that TikTok sound where it's like, I ain't never seen two pretty best friends? You're always the pretty one and mine is the ugly one.
Obviously, if you tweeze, it'll look better, but whatever. I'm not gonna judge you based on tweezing.
Let me see yours.
You know what, guys? For her first wig, it actually looks...
It's not horrible.
It's not horrible. It's
I gave myself
horrible.
like a 6 out of 10.
Out of 10?
Sort of. What, you think lower?
I'm gonna give her a 4.5. It's close. It's not...
Yeah, hers is a little darker.
Yeah.
Mine is like a little lighter. You can kind of see. And then there's some parts that are like lighter than
like,
what the actual
especially right
color.
here.
Yeah.
Like at the top, she's not quite electric. Let me show you guys the tracks. These tracks though,
They're gorgeous. What are you talking about?
what's going on here? What is this? She's a struggle.
If my hair was flat and this was on properly, it wouldn't look that bad on.
It's not terrible. I'm sorry. Obviously, if we tweeze the hairline and we flatten it down with some mousse, and her hair underneath was like flat,
yeah.
it would look decent.
It would.
But the tracks are sewn on so
Oh my
bad,
gosh.
so bad. But nobody can see the track, but I can feel them. This is the wig. This is the wig that she made. And comment down below and let me know if it was an epic fail or it was a slay.
I better see slay in those comments.
So yeah, if you want to make a wig or learn how to make a wig, I
Watch
have
this
plenty
video.
of videos.
Nope, watch mine.
Yeah, watch that video
I
and
can
your
teach
wig
you.
will look like this.
And who wouldn't love to have a wig that looks like this? Come on. Come on.
Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do. And Tanaya has her own channel, so I will link her video, her channel in the description bar down below. So if you like her, you can go check her out on her own channel.
Yeah.
And she'll probably be back on here sometime soon. And I'll probably be on her channel whenever she invites me to be on her channel.
Sure.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. We love you guys so much. Bye.
Bye.